My tally light not working. Recently, one of my good friends from the Bahamas invited me down to her family's place. And as many of you probably know, the Bahamas was devastated by Hurricane Dorian a few weeks back. Real quick before we get into the video, I wanted to say down in the description, I've left some links to some amazing charities to help the hurricane efforts going on down in the Bahamas. There's options to send actual goods, an address, you can donate money, no pressure, but whatever you feel like you can or want to do, made it easy for you. Click, click, click. See ya! Like, dude.
Somewhere along in Russia.
What?
Going in a low?
No, I'm jumping behind you.
I'll jump behind you.
Alright.
Okay.
Thank you.